We have reached our fourth and final video of our Breeze series. This episode is about using Breeze as a church directory. Breeze is Christ Episcopal's membership database. So far, we have talked about gaining access to Breeze, reviewing and editing our profiles, and looking at our giving history. Using Breeze as a directory will enable you to reach out to another parishioner without having to find a paper directory and knowing that the information on Breeze is the most up-to-date information. Also to note, there is an app that you can use on your phone. So if you download the Breeze app, you could use that when you're out and about if you need to reach somebody. But using Breeze computer-based as a directory, your first step is to log in with your username and password. That takes you to the dashboard screen, which is what we see up on the screen here. And there are two different ways to go about using Breeze as a directory. One option is to go to the People tab at the top of your menu, so right up here. This will bring up people in alphabetical order that you can view. It will also list some contact information if it is available. So you can scroll down through this list to locate the person you want to contact. Otherwise, you can begin to type out their name in this bar here. So let's just type in name here and hit enter, and then that's going to bring up the two people here in question. You can click on that person to view their profile. This will not be their complete profile, but it will be some basic information. And obviously not everybody is going to have their contact information available. Some people do have theirs marked as private. So sometimes there may or may not be contact information available. Let's go back here. If you do want to search for like a group of people, you can use this filters area right here. But also it'd be best to contact the church if you are wanting to get a group of people. For Hannah or myself will be able to assist you with that search and making sure that you get to everyone who you would like. But there is an option on here to kind of filter if that is something you want to try to do. The other way that you can use Breeze, I'm going to go back to the dashboard here. You can just use this little search icon up here. If you kind of hover over that magnifying glass, it's going to open up a window here. So we can use that same name we used before. And it's going to bring them up like this. And we can click on them and get you back to the same place that we went previously. So this concludes our Breeze series, but if you have any questions like can Breeze do this or do that, contact the office. We're more than happy to answer those questions. Thank you for staying tuned in this series, and I hope more of you will be using Breeze in the future and become more comfortable with it. I appreciate everybody for joining us. Thank you.